Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to remove a Toyota Corolla side mirror cover. This easy method requires just a few basic tools. You'll want a plastic trim removal tool or a small, flat pry bar to prevent any scratches. Having a soft cloth handy is also a good idea to protect your vehicle's paint. Always work carefully and take your time to avoid any accidental damage during the process. Now let's get started. First, adjust your side mirror glass as far inward as it will go. This creates a crucial gap between the mirror cover and the main housing, giving you better access. Take your plastic trim tool and carefully insert it into this gap, starting at the outer edge of the mirror cover. Apply gentle, steady pressure to begin separating the cover from its clips. As you continue, slowly work your way around the perimeter of the mirror cover. You'll feel and hear the plastic clips releasing one by one. Most Toyota Corolla mirror covers are held in place by about 5 plastic clips. It's important to be patient and apply consistent, gentle pressure. Rushing this step or using too much force can easily break these small, fragile clips, making reinstallation difficult. With all the clips disengaged, your side mirror cover should now come off easily. Take a moment to inspect both the mirror housing and the removed cover for any signs of damage to the clips. When you're ready to reinstall, simply align the cover with the housing and apply firm, even pressure around the edges. You'll hear the clips snap back into place, indicating a secure fit. Double check that the cover is flush and properly seated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.